yanking stumps out, boy. Fucking love it. Wall all the way to there, and then all the way to there. That's the entrance right there, so plenty of room for activities. Man, Josh, get me. All right, so we're out here finishing up. Josh, gonna tidy this road up a little bit here. Gonna build a platform out there, get about 150 down to the main range. It's fucking sick now. So I'll be able to 180 transitions, all of that. Stay tuned. Putting on the finishing touches, baby. Look at that.